The way that we ensure that our builders stay on schedule is our relationships that we have with the builders directly. Because of our communication, we're able to make sure that we're on time and we're getting the job done exactly the way that they're asking us to do so.
We ensure that every builder stays on schedule by doing a variety of things such as pre-walks at every major stage of construction.
To ensure that all of our input into our system is correct and that we're communicating with the builder on a daily basis.
Using our builder portal and having our supers walk the jobs the day before a job is released in the field.
Our systems and processes that we have at Houk to help ensure that there are no delays and things are on schedule we have 3 different aspects of the construction process. Those 3 things are our rough checklist that we do at the beginning stage of construction, our trim checklist that we do in the middle, and then our startup checklist that we do prior to our commissioning of the systems.
We can track our materials, track our jobs, and track our progress in the field with each builder from rough to trim to startup.
So the way that we align certain crews to make sure that everything is consistent through the build process is that, for one, we make sure that we're hiring the correct people to do the jobs. 2, we have our warehouse staff that make sure that everything is ordered correctly. And then 3, we have our office staff to make sure that everything is being scheduled properly.
Quality control, as far as our new construction department goes, we have checklists and monitoring that we have with our field supervisors. We also have an independent quality control member that will randomly look and inspect new constructions at various stages of construction.
It starts with our design, we have in-house designers for each market to understand how each builder is setting and designing their homes, and then that falls into our proprietary systems and then onto our field with our supervisors. We are making sure our supervisors walk jobs before the jobs are sent and after the jobs are sent, taking photos, making notes, and uploading those into our Builder Connect system that allows our builder partners to access that and see the quality that we have done on each job.
In order to maintain consistency across all of our builds, we use the same crews. We have multiple supervisors, but one that interacts with the crews and ensures that they're going to the same type of jobs each time.
Builder Connect is a huge step for Houk. For us to be able to communicate with our builders directly and for them to be able to see everything that we do.
Builder Connect helps us with all of our building customers by the fact that it's full transparency.
Builder Connect is an extension, it's a window. They're basically looking into our system. They're seeing real-time data. Every change we make, they have that visibility and they can see it.
Builder Connect at Houk is one of the best tools I've seen in the industry. It's great for the day-to-day, for the builders in the field, for your builder partners, but it's even better for our management of our builders.
We earn the trust for our builders long-term by consistent work, high quality, and to be in constant communication with them throughout any market or industry changes.
Builders really enjoy working with Houk because of our longevity in the market, dedication to quality, and our dedication to keeping the jobs going on time. Trust is earned in this business. Builders have a very long memory.
There's a lot of people out there wanting to do HVAC work, but Houk's out there doing it right.
There's no other company like Houk. I haven't run across any HVAC company that has the ability to do what we're doing.